Welcome to our roundup of the best pressure cookers under $100. Affordable yet powerful kitchen appliances designed to help you cook meals faster while locking in flavor, nutrients, and tenderness. Whether you're preparing rice, lentils, meat, soups, stews, or one-pot meals, a good pressure cooker can significantly cut down cooking time while delivering consistent and delicious results. Modern budget-friendly pressure cookers come with multiple cooking modes, safety locking lids, pressure regulation systems, non-stick inner pots, digital controls, and keep warm functions for added convenience. Many models also include preset programs, delay timers, and energy-efficient heating systems to make everyday cooking easier and more practical. Choosing the right pressure cooker under $100 can improve meal preparation speed, reduce kitchen effort, and give you more flexibility in daily cooking. Let's take a closer look at some of the best pressure cookers in this budget range available right now. Starting with the Simple Deluxe Pressure Cooker. This model is a great option for users looking for basic affordability, simple operation, and practical cooking performance for everyday home meals. It typically features multiple preset cooking modes that allow users to prepare rice, soups, beans, and stews with minimal effort. Many versions include a non-stick inner pot that helps improve cooking consistency while making cleanup much easier after use. The straightforward control panel makes it beginner-friendly for users who want quick meals without complicated settings. Its compact design also makes it suitable for smaller kitchens, apartments, and dorm-style living spaces. Additionally, it delivers reliable cooking performance and steady heat distribution during regular use. It also improves convenience, enhances cooking speed, and supports simple everyday meal preparation. Next up is the King Pressure Cooker, a versatile and dependable option designed for balanced performance, user-friendly controls, and practical multifunction cooking across different meal types. This model typically features multiple cooking presets for rice, meat, soup, porridge, and steaming, allowing users to prepare a wide variety of dishes easily. Many versions include safety locking lids, pressure regulation systems, and automatic keep warm functions for added convenience and safety during operation. The digital control interface helps simplify cooking adjustments and timing for better usability. Its durable inner pot construction supports even heat distribution for more consistent cooking results. Additionally, it provides steady performance and reliable results across different recipes. It also improves usability, enhances safety, and supports everyday home cooking needs. Moving on to the MasterChef Pressure Cooker. This model is known for its practical functionality, solid build quality, and reliable cooking performance for everyday household use. It typically features multiple cooking modes designed for rice, meats, vegetables, and one-pot meals, helping users prepare a variety of dishes more efficiently. Many versions include programmable timers, pressure control systems, and easy-to-use digital interfaces that make cooking more convenient. The non-stick inner pot helps improve food release and simplifies cleaning after cooking is complete. Its compact yet functional design makes it suitable for family kitchens and regular meal preparation routines. Additionally, it delivers consistent cooking performance and dependable heating across different recipes. It also improves convenience, enhances meal flexibility, and supports everyday cooking efficiency. Stepping up in performance, the Medea Pressure Cooker offers a strong balance of modern design, advanced cooking functionality, and reliable performance for users looking for more control in the kitchen. This model typically features intelligent cooking programs that automatically adjust pressure and temperature for better cooking results. Many versions include multiple preset options for rice, meat, soup, beans, and slow cooking for greater versatility. The digital display and user-friendly interface make it easier to select cooking modes and monitor progress during operation. Its durable inner pot construction helps ensure even heating and consistent food quality. Additionally, it provides efficient cooking performance and stable results across different meal types. It also improves cooking precision, enhances usability, and supports more versatile home cooking experiences. Taking the top spot is the Comfy Pressure Cooker, a highly versatile and well-rounded option designed for maximum convenience, strong cooking performance, and reliable everyday usability at an affordable price. This model typically features multiple smart cooking presets combined with automatic pressure control systems that help deliver consistent results with minimal effort. Many versions include one-touch cooking programs for rice, soups, meat, beans, and steaming, making it suitable for a wide range of recipes. The safety locking system and keep warm functionality add extra convenience and peace of mind during operation. Its compact yet efficient design makes it suitable for both small and medium-sized households. Additionally, it delivers fast cooking performance and dependable results across everyday meals. It also stands out for its ease of use, practical features, and overall value within the under $100 category. All of these pressure cookers under $100 serve different needs depending on features, capacity, and cooking preferences. The Simple Deluxe model offers basic affordability and beginner-friendly operation. The King Bull model provides balanced functionality with practical cooking presets. The MasterChef model delivers solid everyday performance with reliable usability. The Medea model offers smarter cooking control and improved precision. And the Comfy model stands out as the most versatile and well-rounded option overall in this budget range. That wraps up our list of the best pressure cookers under $100. From simple entry-level cookers to more advanced multifunction models designed for faster and easier home cooking. Whether you're preparing daily meals, batch cooking, or saving time in the kitchen, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which pressure cooker you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen appliance reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and make cooking faster and easier with the right pressure cooker.